In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a landing page with the Canva website builder. Hi and welcome to this channel. I'll use this website as a blueprint and this is my website, but I'll change one or two things here. Let's get started. In the search bar, click and type landing page. Always go with the link icon, landing page website, click on it. These are the pro version templates. In my case, I can use any of these, but those of you who don't have a pro version, I'll show you how to get the free template. This, for instance, is free. You can scroll down and look through and find something that suits the website you want to create. The template makes it easy, but I'll show you how to create it from scratch. That's how you can. I'll go up and I'll use a blank template and it's good for you. You can learn how to maneuver your way through. First, I'll copy this, but in your case, I believe you know what to create. Click the text and click on add headline, Ctrl V, because I've copied it already, and push it up and make sure it's centered. Let me push it down a bit. Yeah, because you see that red line? Yeah, I'll use that as a border line and I'll minimize this a bit. You can go inside that red box, take it out, and I'll change this, and this color is green. I'll highlight this text color and I'll use any green for the sake of this tutorial. Or if you know what, I'll show you. I'll use a Colorilla. Colorilla is a free Chrome extension. You can use it. You can install it, hover over, or I can go on the Shopify thing. I'll go like that and copy, go back. When you click on it, copy the color code over here. I'll highlight and click on the text color, click in the search and Ctrl V, and this is how it works. Click and type 36. I like it this way, but it's up to you. You can increase the size if you want. Canva is a cloud-based system. Everything saves by itself. Start for free, then get your first month for $1. I'll grab this text for free. That's the sub text. And by the way, I need to change this to Times Roman or Arial. Let's use Arial font, and this as well. I'll use Arial font. This up and push it up a bit. It's right under the line, and I'll change this font size to 24 is better, and push it down a bit. Yeah, and actually this will be, you can play with it. Let me drag this a little down to increase the page size, because this is a website template. You can increase the size. We need to add the photo, but I'll add a different image. I'm not gonna use the same thing. Go to element and type Shopify, because what I'm creating is about Shopify. So what I'll do, I'm gonna be creative here. I'll drop this in here and push it down, increase the size, make sure it's centered, push it down, and I'll grab this as well and I'll put it right. Let me increase this a bit and I'll shrink this a bit. These are pro versions. I'll show you how to get the free version for free. Go to X of this, and let's say online store, and go through, and this is free, this is free. You need to go through. I'll use this instead of this one. I will bring this here. I like it. I'll minimize this a bit. Yeah, I like this one better. It looks beautiful. Push it down. Be creative with whatever you are doing. If you can find a free version, go up here and type free and go through. I'll go with this. I'm gonna push this down and I'll go back here. I need to add the text. I'll go back, go to text and grab the text. I'll go with the little one and I will reduce it. Push it down here. I'll copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy, and I'll move this to this side. And as you can tell, there is a line here, right? So I'm gonna add the line element, line, enter, and I'll use this line. This is a pro line, but you can use a free one, center, and yeah, this is good. If you want, you can increase it all the way and move center again. It's good like this. Like I said, you can do whatever you want. This is for tutorial to show you how to go about this. I'll go back and I'll copy this text, right click, copy, go back here and right click, and instead of Ctrl V, I'll use right click, paste as plain text. That way you don't lose the format. Then reduce the size. I'll reduce to, let's say 16. No, 16 is too small. I'll do 24. 24 is better, and push it a bit, something like this. Then I'll go back, grab this one, Ctrl C, go back, or Command C, it's up to you. Highlight, right click, paste as plain text, then reduce this to 24. Click inside anywhere. As you can tell, it's a little close. I'll reduce to 22 or 20, and I'll reduce this one too to 20. All the best. I'm gonna overlap and I'll push this to 26, and you can use this to reduce the text size to 26 this way, and you push it to the center 20, and I'll go 26 again. Click inside, then click inside the box and reduce the text this way. This is good. I don't want to write too much. It's good to have more information. If not, your prospect will not be enticed to click on your button. Gone were the days you have this text, this image, and the button, and that's it. These days people want to know a bit more before they click on your button. I'm gonna go to elements, close this, and I'll go to click on it, and let's see all the buttons. I will use this one, and I'll go up and drag it down here. I'll push it down a bit. I'll use this color. I'll use it again. Click on it. I have the color that I want. I'll say, what does it say here? Start free trial. I'll go to the text, scroll down a bit, and grab the text. I'll use the middle one. Start free trial, and I'll push it down. Reduce the text, enter, and I'll change the color to white. Text off and click on white. If I want, I can add a little bit effect to make it stand out a bit. Yeah, and I can reduce the size more. Yeah, because this one is popping, and as you can tell, there's for $1 here. I don't want to add the $1 because depending on the time or date, that promotion might be over. I decided not to add it. Create a landing page that when you set it up, you don't have to be going back and forth. All right, imagine if you have hundreds of them. It's time to link. Click on the button, then press and hold the shift button, then click on the text, and when you let go of the shift button, this will pop up. Then click on group. Everything is grouped. To add the link, right click and click on link. I'm gonna go here, and when I have her, you can tell the link is here. When I have her, yeah, I'll right click and copy the link address. Click here and Ctrl V. This is my link. I can click done, and it's gonna link. I would advise you not to use spammy links, especially CPA links. Be careful. Whatever you're gonna promote here, it has to be genuine. I don't wanna add this link because of my experience, especially when you're promoting something with numbers. Trust me, most of these website builders, social media platforms don't like it. I'll delete it and use any link shortener. Go to Google and type bit.ly.com, all right, and create a free account. Click on create link and drop the link here, because this is my affiliate link or whatever link you have. As long as it has numbers, you need to shorten it. I'll type Shopify. This is optional, all right. Scroll down, and right here, because I have an account, I can create custom backup. I will say try Shopify, create. It's taken. Wow. I'll add store, create. This one is good. My link will be bit.ly/try-shopify.store. Copy this, and I'll go back to Canva and I'll paste this here. This link looks better. I'll click on done and done again. As you can tell, let me move this down a bit. I guess maybe I'm gonna reduce the text. Yeah, this is better. When I click, yeah, the link is here, which is good. If this is an affiliate link, which is what I have in my case, you need to add the disclaimer. Even if it's a general website, you still have to add a disclaimer, because if not, you can face lawsuit for whatever reason. I'll go back and I'll show you. These are my disclaimers, and first I'll add the affiliate disclosure. Because this is a Shopify affiliate program, I need to add the affiliate disclosure. I'll highlight, right click, copy, and go back. Let me add the text first. Click outside and drag it down here. I need to add, I'll copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and I'll drag it down here, because this is something you must do. Go back, right click, copy, and go back, double click, Ctrl V to paste, and I'll reduce the size to, let's say 14. 14 isn't good. I'll do, yeah, 18 is good, and I'll minimize the text this way. I want it to be on one line, and I'll push this down, and I'll go like this, highlight and bold, and I'll use the Arial font. Right, and I'll go back again, and I need to add this one. I'll go back, click here and expand, click, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, because I don't want to lose the format. Double click to highlight, and go back and highlight everything. Right click, copy, go back and Ctrl V. As you can tell, everything is working, including the links. If I double click, this is coming from my site. These are disclosures. This is for legal purposes. When you check it out, see, this is how it's gonna look like. If you are promoting an affiliate program, and you don't have these disclaimers, you can use, let's say if it were to be Shopify, you're just gonna type, let's say whatever name you're gonna use when you have to publish this. Let's say Blogsdom. I'll change it, you understand. This will be Blogsdom. All right, then for the disclaimers, you can go to Shopify, scroll down, and since whatever you're about to promote is for Shopify, you can use your disclaimer. What you're gonna do is terms of service, and you're gonna go back and change this. I'll change all of this, I'll delete, and I'll go terms of service, and the next one is privacy policy. The best thing to do, right click, copy link address. So when you go back here, instead of typing and linking it, you can Ctrl V. As you can tell, it has the Shopify link there. Then you go back again, where is it? Then you highlight, Ctrl C, go back, click right here, Ctrl V. This is something you can do if you don't have your terms or legal disclosures, but on my channel I have a tutorial on that, and I'll drop it in the description box. Publish, scroll down, let's check the publish settings. If you have to add something here like a description, you can add it, but in this case I don't want to. Push it down, scroll down, you can add a password, especially if you're an agent or a website designer and want to show it to your client, or you want specific people to view this. Yeah, you can do search engine visibility on Google, Yahoo, Bing, and the list goes on. Yeah, but I'll minimize this. Sorry, publish back again because I lost it. I have to do it again. Yeah, last but not least is to click publish like this. Click publish, and it's publishing. See, your website is live. Copy this link, but first of all, let's view it. This is it. Scroll down, this is your landing page. It has a test, all your disclaimers are working, and you have this here. Let me show you how it looks like when you drop the link. Same thing, and I'll show you prospect. Click with it, and bam, it goes straight to the offer. This is for tutorial. I'll go back and delete it because I have it on my website already, so there's no point to delete it. Close it and go back to your Canva main page. Click on the settings, scroll down and click on domains, and as you can tell, it's right here. Click view, and if I want to remove, you can remove it completely, or first click on the button on publish and then remove. That's how you remove a website if you don't want it. This tutorial is for you, that's why I deleted it. Don't freak out. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.